Hi, welcome to Dorikuta channel. I'm going to teach you farm animals, and this video is for 1 to 6 years old. And let's go to the next page. Okay guys, let's start to teach you. Now we're gonna learn about farm animals. And first, cow is color in white and black. Next, chicken is got long nails. Next, sheep, it got white fur. Next, horse, it got 4 legs. Next, goat, it got 1 tail. Now we are reading farm animal sound. First, sheep, ba ba. Second, chicken, kokorkaka. Third, horse, neigh neigh. Fourth, cow, moo moo. Let's sing a song. Ba ba, black sheep, heavy any wool. Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy live down the lane. Sing along with me, this time Baba Blue Sheep. Let's sing. Baba Blue Sheep, heavy any wool. Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe and comment below you like this video, and love you all. Bye.